Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. If you have been wanting to run multiple operating systems on your PC or laptop for studies, project or testing, then this video is for you. Today I will be showing you how to install VMware Workstation Pro for free and powerful software that will help you to run several OS environments on a single machine. Either it could be your laptop or desktop. So previously, VMware Workstation Pro was paid only paid only software, but now it's free for personal use. So I'll guide you how to go through step by step installation process. Some steps are a bit tricky, so stay tuned until the end to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now in your browser, we'll search VMware Workstation Pro download. Okay, now click on this desktop hyper visual solution. Now you go here and click download Fusion or Workstation. Now it will route you to this Broadcom which has acquired VMware. From here, we will fill all the information and download VMware. This first time, so we'll go. We don't have any username. We'll click on this login here. Then on the login, you can see register is there. So click on register. So I need to register here. So what we'll do? So we'll give our email address here, and accordingly we will register in the VMware website. Okay. Now we'll click. We'll enter this. WHSV, then click next. Yeah, so one OTP has came to my email address. Let me check that. I have to fill that. 535 347. Now I have to verify and continue. Now it is asking for the detailed information to fill, so I can fill these things, my name and then last name and country to select here. Then job title, you can select a job title, engineer. Then you need to select a password. So password, it is asking for all the combination. So it should be yes. Now I have to enter the password here. Now you need to accept the term and condition. Now create an account. So account has been, it will take few seconds. Yes, now account has been created. Now we have to log in. Now to log in again with the email ID and password which I gave earlier. Now click on login. Now it is now opening the login screen. So I have to give now my ID. Okay, so user ID, all the things I can click remember me, not needed also. Okay, now it's redirecting to auth. Okay, so now it is asking for password. Okay, now I have to give the password. Okay, now again the password. Now sign in. Now it will take few seconds. Okay, now perfect. Now it's signed in successfully. Now you can see. Now you have to go to the software here. Then you have to click on enterprise. Then you need to go to my dashboard here. So my dashboard, so here you need to search what you are looking for. So here you can search VMware Workstation Pro is already coming. Okay, search for it. Okay, now it is coming. Okay, now click on it. Click on it now. Okay, now I can see various options it is showing. Now come down. So here you can see it is showing download for 17.5.2. Okay, click on it. Okay, shows various VMware Workstation Pro option to download. So I will select VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use. Okay. Now select the latest one, 17.6.1. It will redirect to this page. Now click on this I agree button. Then there is a download option here. Click on this. Now as you have to tell yes. Okay. So now it is redirecting to this page. In this trade company as verification page is routed. So in this page my email is already given. So you need to give address, something you can give. No, and I can give your given address. And once address is submitted, you need to submit. Now once submitted, it will route to this page. Again, in this page you need to click on this cloud download. Click on this. Now you can see download has been started. So you need to wait for a few minutes. Now download is over. Now you need to go and click on this VMware Workstation. Okay. So it will open. It will take a second. Wait. Now it is asking is to launch. You need to click on yes. So now you can see VMware Workstation is getting launched. Now you must launch. Okay, second. Okay. So it will take few seconds. As you can see, it's preparing VMware Workstation for installation. Okay, fine. So another will take 2 times. So that's why it's coming like this. So here you can see it's preparing for install. So installation is going on. It's now unique. Now it's this pop-up has came. So you need to click on next. Yeah. So click on next. Then you need to accept term and condition. Then you need to click next. Then you need to click next. Then next. Then you need to show desktop, start program folder. Yeah, you can do it. Next. Then you can install. It will take few seconds. Then download will be over after few seconds. I can see installation is done. Now click finish here. Okay, now we can finish. Now it's done. So now we can go to desktop and open. We can go to desktop. I can see shortcut has been created in the desktop. VMware Workstation. Now click on this. So now your VMware Workstation will be opening. So now it's asking for license. So will you click on this for personal use? So then continue, then finish. Now you can see my VMware Workstation is ready. You can see Workstation Pro. It is ready now. Yeah, you can start using this VMware Workstation Pro. Thanks guys for watching. If it really helps you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in another video.